Hello, welcome to Herbal Hill. Myself, Dhiren Dalal, director of the company. Today, I would like to share with you our story about single herbal supplement. What is single herbal supplement? Why it is so popular? And as a company, Herbal Hill, what, why we introduce and what is the future of our this product category? As the name indicates, single herbal means the supplement with the single herbs, example ashwagandha or neem capsule or tablets, turmeric, amla, like that is a supplement which has a capsule or tablets in single form. Now, as we all know that this Ayurveda is 5000-year old science, but this single herbal supplement is a modern supplement. Why? Because it has been introduced by Western world. Western world realize that Ayurveda is old science and it has many herbs which has a very good medicinal properties. It is really good for curing the health issues. They started studying our herbs in detail. About 50-60 years back, they started the detailed study and they found out in each herb there is some molecules which is really helping to cure the health problem. For example, they found out in the studies in turmeric there is a curcumin is one molecule which is working for the immunity and all. Like that, they found out in every herbs there is some molecules which is working, and that's way they introduce this supplement. Single herbal supplement is very much popular and getting popular day by day. Why? Simple reason, it has been introduced by Western world, and second thing, it is very transparent that this supplement has only one single herbs. In olden times, our normally Ayurvedic formulation by Vaidyas were multi formulations, Vati or Churan, they were using it. So people were not able to understand what are the all ingredients in that formulations, and so they are not clear to consume by their own. Only if doctor prescribe them the formulation, they would like to buy the circulation. So here they feel very safe because they are able to understand about that herbs from people's or from the Googles or any other things, the text. They are able to study and by themselves and understand the importance of that particular herbs and consume that. Now the question is, as Herbal Hill, why we introduce and what is the difference of our Herbal Hill single herbal supplement? At Herbal Hill, we are Indian company and we believe that single herbs as a whole is very important as per the Ayurvedic text. In olden times, in turmeric was important, not the curcumin. And so we believe that total herbs, the turmeric is important. So our all single herbal supplement product category, we had followed the fusion concept. Example, we are using the total herbs 50% and 50% we are using the extracts, which is a modern concept of concentrated active of that particular herbs. So our product line is blended fusion concept, east and west point of view. So it's a different, and nowadays this single herbal supplement even in India in younger generation is getting popular. The main reason it is can be consumed without consulting a doctor, prescribing by doctor. People are able to understand from the and people feel safe while consuming in all. So and our this particular product category, after this post corona, people realize that what is Ayurveda's herbal importance and how it helps to build up your immunity and general health. So it is not a single herbal supplement, you can say it is not for medical problem, or if you have a diabetes then only you have to have it, or cholesterol problem you have it, is for the prevention. Prevention is better than cure, it is old proverbs, but it's absolutely true that people has to focus on their health, and people realize very much after this corona that their health they have to maintain on daily basis. It is not that they when the time comes they will build up their health. Is that point is very clear in people's mind, and so we as a company also focusing on this and introducing the capsule and tablets of many single herbal supplement. We have almost more than 30 products as a single herbal supplement, and this is our product line which we think in future it is going to grow very big way, and we'll be also increasing the products whenever the our research team come out with any other new supplements to be introduced in market. Thank you.